make a public statement that goons will not be allowed into Olkalou. Because if there are no goons, the election will be peaceful. The people of Olkalou are extremely peaceful and they don't want violence. During the 25th commemoration of Gen Z protests, we saw police deployment in the city. How come they cannot secure a simple constituency in Olkalou from goons, to the extent that the IBC chair is crying that he needs to postpone elections because of anticipated violence? We are asking IBC to discuss with the IG that plainclothes police officers are not deployed in Olkalou because they are the ones who cause violence. They are the ones who cause violence in Bere. Plainclothes police officers are the ones who cause violence in Narok. They are the ones who are causing violence in Olkalou. They are the ones that Eric Wamumbi and Betty Mine are planning to cause violence in Olkalou. We want the IG to deploy only uniformed police officers in Olkalou, so that if they cause violence, people can notice, they can take photographs and videos. We are asking plainclothes police officers to be kept off Olkalou. We are asking the IG to make a public statement that goons from Nairobi, being organized by Moses Kuria, and others will not be allowed into Olkalou. And if goons are kept off Olkalou, we'll have a very peaceful election, because the people of Olkalou are peaceful people. I want to end there by saying